Bird.
Shit, feel what?
Beat you with bread.
Ow! 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 I'm trying to fill liquid here!
Oh my god. Look at the crumbs on the floor. If you can. I don't think you can. There's crumbs all over Bird's feet. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I think it can. It's all over Bird's feet.
Bird, you know you're supposed to eat your food.
Oh my god.
Hit yourself with it. You're not supposed to play with food.
Yeah.
I wonder from someone!
I don't know. You were hitting yourself with it, man.
Or something.
Oh, look, now I'm hitting myself.
Oh. You broke the bread, man.
You broke the
wait,
bread.
wait, hang on. Let's break bread.
Right one side. This is how strong a relationship is.
Damn. Savage. Savage. Savage.
Fuck our friendship! Fuck our friendship! Fuck this shit!
Yeah, you tell how it is, Ruben.
Fuck our friendship! Fuck you!
Fucking psycho bullshit. Fucking psycho.
I'm acting like a white bitch right now.
Ruben, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know any other way to explain it. We couldn't use our own dicks because, you know, that would be brutal.
Bubbles are for blowing bubby buddies. Bubbles are for bubble blowing babies. Where's another straw?
All bubble blowing babies will be beaten senseless
By everybody patron in the bar. That's right. So who blew it?
So, no one will admit that I'm a shut up!